Hey guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marks video. Today we'll be doing Budgie to the Rescue Part 1 by me. Let's get into it. Budgie, so what do you guys want to do today? Little Lopez, I don't know, I was hoping you had something planned. Lemon, oh look, a cat plane. Ha ha ha. Oh, don't worry, Budgie, don't worry guys, I'll save you. To Budgie City. Let's go. Well, there's nothing I can do here. Oh no, an enemy. It's coming closer to me. I know, I'll jump on it. I did it, I killed it. Look, a flag. Yay. Let's go. This place is scary. Budgie, found you. Bonk. 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 I'm number 1. Cool. Let's go. Flag. It's a go time. The door is locked. Oof. Hello? Anyone there? It's Evil Budgie. The evilest Budgie out of all of them. Evil Budgie. Yes, and I'm here to destroy you. I'm number 1. Wait, come back here. Get over here. I'm not finished with you yet, just yet. Wait. To be continued. So that'll be all for this video. If you guys please enjoy, like and subscribe and share, ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss further content. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next Budgie Marks video.